All right, welcome back, guys. It's a new trading week, and we are in the market to look for opportunities to take trades and not force opportunities out of the market. So, today I will be doing a forecast on GBP USD and on gold, just like in my previous market outlook I did on GBP USD. And thankfully, it seems like price went as forecasted. So this week we'll be doing the same, and hopefully price goes our way as well. So this is Martel Trades, and I am McKinney Matthew. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so, like and share this video. And one more thing, please stick to the end of this video. And without wasting any much time, let's get started. So first of all, what I would ordinarily do is just go to forexfactory.com to look at what news will be coming up this week. So as you can see, today is Monday, September 16th. We have nothing for today, so expect market to just flow freely without any news effect. Then on Tuesday, we're having core retail sales news and all. That is for just USD. I set the filter for major news only. Sometimes we can have minor news release, which I don't really pay attention to. And being that the major news are the things that really move the market, I rather want to be aware of this major news and just watch it play out. All right. Usually the minor news don't usually have that much of an effect in on the market. So that's the reason I set my filter to just major news. So I just leave it at major news only. So we do not have any major news today, and we have for Tuesday we have okay, we also have on Wednesday, that is GBP and USD. Well, CPI is going to be released for GBP on Wednesday. Then we have the federal funds rate, we have the FOMC economic projection and statement. All this will be on Wednesday. Whoa, Wednesday is really loaded. We know that this FMO is a news that really shifts the market very well. So be prepared. It's either you are staying completely out of the market, or you're aware of how to trade the news. If not, please just stay out of the market. And on Thursday, we also have GBP news and USD news. All right. Then what about Friday? Okay, on Friday we have just GBP, that is retail sales. All right. I haven't equipped myself with the knowledge of when we'll be expecting news. I'll just know that okay, today we trade freely, but for tomorrow we'll be taking note of the time when the news will be released. So right here, this is GBP USD currently on the weekly time frame. You see, just like I forecasted for last week, you notice that price came down as anticipated, swept liquidity, okay, and went straight up. All right. You won't notice any structural liquidity here because this is a weekly candle. Okay, but when we go down to lower time frames, you will see that this is a liquidity sweep. All right. So right now, I'm still kind of like bearish because once this has happened, price just price is just to I'll just be expecting price to break this. All right. So this is the high, the weekly high. I'll be expecting price to break, and this might actually be the objective of the other time frame for this week. This might be the objective of price for the week. Okay, to break the weekly high. All right. So this is my anticipation for this week for GBP USD. But Even though it's not going to happen this week, it might just get close to the weekly high. And I believe that is why the news, I believe that is what the news will be doing. News, once the news is released, it's going to push for the break of structure, of this weekly structure. All right. So if you to head down to the daily time frame now, this is what we're having. Now, just like what I told you, price came down to sweep liquidity right here. You can see. So liquidity was swept, which is confirmed. And that was what gave this push. All right. That was what gave this push after the news release. And this happened exactly as I told you that once the news was released, it's likely going to break. It's going to retest this zone here and go up, or come down, sweep liquidity and push up, and that was what happened. So right now for this week, I am anticipating that the objective of price is to shoot up and break this high. All right, that is the objective of price. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, price is to break this object this structure here. So that's my take on GBP USD for this week. If we should go to our 4-hour time frame now, okay, we'll notice that there's this large supply zone resting right here, and that is where price currently is. So right now, I won't be very comfortable taking longs just like that. All right, I'll need to see price react here first. If it shows sign of continuation, then I'll continue to ride price up. All right, then wait for news to be released. Then after the news is released, see what price does, then ride along with the direction of price after the news release. Okay, but generally on GBP USD, I am still bullish. I remain bullish. Okay, because it's obvious that price is just after this high. Yes, price is after this high, and it's gonna take it out. Until it takes it out, I'm bullish on GBP USD. So mind you, aside the weekly objective of price, which is probably likely to break this swing high here, there is a major objective which I'm looking at on the weekly time frame. GBP USD is bearish, all right, as you can see. So I'm looking at price GBP turning overall bearish if it gets to this supply zone here. Okay, you can see. So this is what I'm expecting, that GBP USD will continue to be bullish until it hits this supply zone and possibly just turn bearish. All right. So this is what I'm anticipating to happen. Yeah. So that's just my take on GBP USD for this week. So on gold, gold has really been bullish for a while now after breaking that strong resistance level. Okay, you can see there is this resistance level here that it kept on holding for like I think for a week or so. It held for like a week going to 2 weeks until price broke it. Okay, no, I think it's happened for 2 weeks. Yeah, this is August 20th and September 6th. Price just broke this last week. All right, and ever since price gold, and ever since gold has been shooting up. Okay, so the one thing with one thing with price breaking its all-time high is this: you never know where it's going to like stop and turn bearish. So it really scares me to want to take trades when price is at the all-time high unless I see a reversal or a retracement happening. Okay, but for now, since gold hasn't really shown any reason for it to stop being bullish, I think I'll just remain bullish on gold. So what we'll just be looking out for is price coming here. Um, yeah. So probably price going to just come down, uh, retest this area here, then continue up, or maybe perhaps just come down, sweep liquidity, then up we go. Do you understand? So that's basically, there's nothing much to actually look at gold, but let's just be anticipating that see that this the news release on gold will cause price to come down to retest this area here or just push it up. Yeah. So right now I'm not really clear on price objective on gold because it just broke its all-time high, and that was what happened due to the news release last week. So the news release for last week helped price break this strong resistance that it created. That's about 2 weeks ago. So I hope you found this video insightful, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. Help this channel grow. Alright, it won't take you much time. Just hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video to others as I continue to document my trading journey here on YouTube. Alright, so till I come your way again with this weekly forecast, trade safe if you're a trader, and do have a blessed trading week. Peace.